Hey y'all, so I got my Ipsy yesterday evening. I know I told you guys in my last video I was gonna do one yesterday, but since I got it so late and I was already in the process of watching Lord of the Rings 3 and I was already kind of halfway through it, I didn't want to pause it and stop, just stop it or whatever to come do this. I'm sorry, but I really wanted to watch Lord of the Rings. So I had a series with my husband to watch Lord of the Rings all weekend and it was fun. And today we have tournaments to watch. We like Call of Duty, so Blackout is having a all-out base tournament for pros, and we're watching T, Crowder, Sparrows, Doug is Raw, and other people you can think of, Maven, Merc, anybody. So if you know those guys, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I personally like Maven, TP, and Sparrows. Those are my three go-to guys when it comes to Call of Duty. But so we have the Ipsy today, and there is going to be a item in here that I will be putting in a future giveaway later on if I get to 80 subscribers. And I'll show you guys what it is. I won't swatch it or anything. I'll just tell you guys about the product and what it is, and I'll put it in the bag. And wait till I get 80 subscribers. So if you're new here, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and press that notification bell to stay tuned for my upcoming next videos. Okay? So let's get on. You're probably thinking that, it's so weird seeing me. But you guys don't know. Okay. I'm standing. There's no chair behind me, so you guys can see. This is actually pretty cute for December. The light makes it really shiny. It feels like leather, fake leather. It has a green lining tassels. I know, was it the Glam Bag Plus? I think it was like a blue one. And then the Ultimate, you get like this big duffel case kind of looking thing. So it's green, and it just has a silver zipper with Ipsy logo on the tassel. The doohickey thing, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna go in and put that off to the side. So we got our card, and this month is Shine On. It says sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's click glasses to a year full of diving and bearing all, and finding your light. It is time to celebrate how far you've come. Hashtag discover yourself, December 2019. Shows you all the things that I got in my bag, and there's one item in here that I did pick. So, and on the back says ring in the new year. What a year. We dreamed big and we brought you more choices, more personalizations, more memberships. Hello Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate, and more of what you want with add-ons. Now we're looking ahead to a new year with a resolution for bigger, brighter experiences. Here's a January sneak peek. Okay. Top tier brands and products that you'll be obsessed over. Top opportunities to connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts. Enhanced personalization and ways to make your bag more you. The best is yet to come. Lock it all in next year with an annual plan and get your 12th bag free at ipsy.com/upgrade/annual. So wait, lock it in next year and 12th bag free. So does that mean next December we get a bag for free? Let me know in the comments if you guys know anything about that. That's kind of curious. Wait, so 12th, lock it in next year with an annual plan and get your 12th bag free. Somebody go to that website. I'm going to put it right here. It's ipsy.com/upgrade/annual. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of it, and tell me, okay? So don't forget to hashtag Ipsy Shine On. All right. It's not sponsored, but I got my Santa Coca-Cola. Sorry, I'm thirsty. It's hot in my bathroom. It's like 70 something outside, and tomorrow, like, we have a cold front coming in tonight. And it drops it down to like low 50s in the day and then like low 30s at night. So it's like Texas has its mind of its own today. So I'm gonna go in here. Okay. We have, what is this? Avon True Color Glimmer Sticks Diamonds Eyeliner in Sepia? S-E-P-I-A. It looks like a gold color. Swipe your go-to black eyeliner with this glitter metallic bronze from decades old and always current beauty brand Avon. To take your holiday party makeup to the next level, the creamy gel formula goes on like butter and stays in place for up to 10 hours. Wow. It goes on soft but doesn't budge. When it comes time to remove this eyeliner, dip a cotton swab in makeup remover or cleansing balm to easily break down the pigments. So I'm actually out of the makeup remover, so I might end up just using like soap. Hopefully that comes off. Okay, I'll see if I can get this open. Why is this so complicating? Why did they do this? Why can't they do like what the stores do and just, you know, seal the tops? Gotta seal the whole dang thing. Come on, I want to swatch you. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I finally got it off. So, Avon True Color. Sorry, it's for some reason. So it's in that color. Oh, gold. It's a twist. Please don't break. So you get a full. That looks so weird probably on your guys' end. So you guys get a full product. This is one of the full products out of 5. So we'll see what else is full product. But oh wow, it is really creamy. It's already like trying to break off. Actually would go good with my my colors today on my eyes. Just fast forward if you guys don't want to see this. Can't really tell. Can you guys tell the difference? I can't see the difference. Okay, next item. It is creamy though, that's for sure. Okay, I felt the bottle, I pulled out the bottle. This is an Aromatica Rose Absolute First Serum Vegan Formula. It's tiny. Literally, it's really tiny. How many uses do, what is this? Oversleep and need speed through your routine. This toner and serum will tackle 2 skincare tips. Thank you. Oh God. Oversleep and need speed through your routine. This toner serum will tackle 2 skincare steps in one go. Made with natural plants and herbs, this Aromatica is known for it balances, hydrates, and illuminates your skin with Bulgarian damask rose oil, aloe vera, and niacinamide, whatever that word is. Use 3 drops of the serum on clean, dry skin morning and night. Press it in your skin using fingertips and let it sink in before applying the next steps in your routine. Okay, so I'll do a product review on this along with something else I see in here that I picked. So this is not one of my picks, but this will be an awesome of a product review later on. I am totally going with this one. Okay, Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte in Lavender. I don't know. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe. In lavender. Not really big on going with purple lipsticks, honestly. So I like how it's, what is that? What do we call that? Foggy, I guess, in a way. It's matte up here. It's good grip. There's no silk. It's like a silver gold, depending on the light shift. That's pretty cool. Or bronze, I don't know. So, the applicator. I don't know. Hold on, I'm wondering. Okay, y'all tell me, do these too much? Because it kind of looks like it, but this is... No, I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway for you guys. So there'll be 2 in the giveaway. Along with something else. But, so yeah. Closing this up. Not testing it. Not gonna wear it. The video doesn't do it really justice. It actually is a little bit darker. So, there's that. I'm putting this in my bag. Because I got a Ipsy bag ready for anybody who wants it when they do the giveaway. Leave that right there. Next one, I'm kind of disappointed now because it gave me something I didn't want. Oh well. Alright, so this one is the one I chose. And it's a coffee scrub. I love coffee. If anybody knows, and if you've seen my other videos, you know I love coffee. So it's a Stella Black Gold Supreme Coffee Scrub. Yeah. And it doesn't... Okay. I think it like goes to right here. So right here, right below this little bold words. And it's like, seems filled right there. So kind of doesn't give that much. That's disappointing. Give your bod a morning burst with this coffee infused scrub from Stella. A line of plant powdered products made to keep your skin healthy and glowing. The combo of coffee ground coffee beans and raw sugar gently exfoliate the real smoother, softer skin. The fresh coffee scent is as energizing as an AM latte. I can't wait. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. Alright. Twist this bad boy off. It's sealed. I don't know if you guys see it. So. Put that there. Ooh, that smells so good. It's very grainy, obviously. Oh wow, it actually does have real coffee grounds and sugar. That is awesome. People always say you can always use coffee as a exfoliating cream. Whatever. You know what I mean. But how long do you leave it on? It's best to use exfoliating scrub like this one before shaving, because it removes dead skin cells, dirt, and oil that help to achieve a closer, more long-lasting shave. Hey, so you use it in the shower, of course, but gee. What if I just want to use it for my face? Ooh, I don't know. shave my face. So that's what it'll look like. It smells like when you first open Folgers. Wipe this off me. Sure, it's dirty as it is. Oh well. Alright, and last but not least, the one that will be going in the giveaway is a Tarte High Performance Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in shade Party Dress. And like I said, I'm putting this in there because I have way too many blushes. And it's a cute little package. It's purple. So here's the little applicator. Or container, sorry. You just open it up. Whoa! So it's nothing big or fancy, just it literally matches. The container literally matches the shade. So that's the shade for you. Then that's the shade you want to go with. So closing it up. Put it back in here so you guys can all see. Oh, wrong bag. Hold on. There you go. In there. So, like I said, if I get to 80 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, and either it'll be one winner or two, depending on what else I get. I can do a separate 2 giveaways where one will be just skincare products, or the one will, another one will be just makeup products. So skincare, I don't know, body products. But so that's what we got. We got the blush, the lip gloss, the serum, the scrub, and an eyeliner that I thought that was kind of cool. So that's all I got. Tell me what you guys got in your bag. Tell me what you think of it. I'm a little disappointed. They gave me stuff I did not like. I would never wear purple lipstick. Definitely gonna need to put that in my review. Just remember, if you guys are not on the app, if you don't go in and review your products, you're gonna get the same shade things that you got before and that you never liked. You need to put that in the review so they can go off your review and your profile and go from there. And if there's something in the review that you didn't like, you need to go back into your profile, re-update it, and say, hey, I don't like this color. I don't ever plan on it. So that's what I did actually a couple days ago. I had to go back into my profile and change it up. So my just January one, I can make sure I do it correctly. So they can do it correctly. But yeah, that is it. Let me know in the comments about that upgrade annual thing. Not sure. And get your 12th bag free. I'm kind of curious now. I'm gonna probably go look it up myself. But tell me in the bag what you guys liked. Tell me what you guys thought about my bag, 1 through 5 being 1 the worst and 5 being the best. And I think I'm gonna give it a 3. Just to match my products, because that's too many blushes and a lip gloss I don't plan on wearing because I don't wear purple. So yeah, I will catch you guys on my next video. So I hope you guys have a great day. It's afternoon, it's Sunday, so enjoy your weekend, the last day of the weekend. And I'll catch you guys on my next video.